A-1 Waste LLC is the pinnacle of reliability, a beacon for all needing exceptional roll-off dumpster services in Humboldt, Tennessee. Our offerings are more than mere services. They are a commitment to excellence, an ode to the harmony between efficiency and environmental stewardship. At A-1 Waste, every roll-off dumpster is a testament to our dedication, and each rental echoes our promise to serve with unparalleled grace and effectiveness. As the wind whispers through the trees, so do we provide seamless, hassle-free experiences, allowing you to focus on the joys of your event. In the heart of Humboldt, Tennessee, A-1 Waste LLC brings life to every celebration with our top-tier party rentals. Our dumpsters stand ready, not just as containers, but as guardians of cleanliness, ensuring your festivities are untainted by the chaos of clutter. Each roll-off dumpster embodies our pursuit of perfection, designed to seamlessly blend into the backdrop of your gathering, maintaining the pristine essence of your special moments. At A-1 Waste, we understand that every detail matters, and we are here to ensure that waste management is one less worry on your mind because we care about the success of your event. Our legacy is built on trust, a solid foundation fortified by the smiles of our satisfied clients. A-1 Waste LLC is more than a service. It is a symphony of commitment, reliability, and superior quality. With a simple call to 731-424-7666, your event's waste worries dissipate like morning mist. Let us be the silent partner in your celebration, the unseen hand that ensures everything flows smoothly. Visit us at www.a-1waste.com and discover how our roll-off dumpster services in Humboldt, Tennessee, can elevate your event to new heights of cleanliness and convenience.